KTM is all set to expand its entry-level sport bike lineup with the upcoming KTM RC160, which will launch alongside the 160 Duke. What makes the RC160 particularly noteworthy is that it's developed specifically for the Indian market. This marks a significant milestone as it becomes the first KTM motorcycle designed and engineered in India, thanks to Bajaj Auto's leading role in its development. The RC160 is being introduced as a direct rival to the Yamaha R15, a motorcycle that has largely dominated the premium 150 and 160cc segment for over a decade. KTM aims to disrupt this stronghold with a fully fared sports bike that not only offers sharp styling but also promises dynamic performance. Aesthetically, the RC160 will draw inspiration from its larger siblings, the RC200 and RC390, featuring an aggressive, track-oriented look with a full fairing, sharp lines, and sporty ergonomics. This design approach will likely appeal to enthusiasts who want a proper super sport stance at a more accessible price point. Under the fairing, the RC160 will house a 160cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, the same unit found on the new 160 Duke. This motor is a downsized version of the RC200's engine and is expected to deliver around 20 brake horsepower and 15 Nm of torque. Mated to a 6-speed gearbox, the RC160 is also expected to come equipped with a standard quickshifter, a segment-first feature that adds to its performance credentials. The RC160 will borrow its frame, suspension, and braking components from the RC200, which is known for its agile and responsive handling. This shared hardware should translate to a motorcycle that not only looks sporty but also performs exceptionally well in corners and under braking, giving it a strong edge over the R15 in terms of dynamics. The KTM RC160 is expected to be launched in early October, with bookings opening in September. With this new launch, KTM is targeting young riders looking for performance and premium features at a competitive price, aiming squarely at Yamaha's long-standing dominance in the segment.